Virgin. Virgin just landed. Okay. Wow. Look like I must tear off the front of this. This wasn't on the street. Oh. This BMW is ripped up. Smash it up. What crashing it? Is a bus backed up or a bus run into it? Because it is not supposed to be in here. It's not supposed to be in the bus park here. This is for coaches only. So a coach probably backed up in it. I don't know. And these are the tow trucks. This is more like it. The big ones that tow the coaches. These ones. Big mama jamma. This is what? This is a 12-wheeler. This got 12 wheels on it. Lufthansa. Lufthansa just landed. This coach is nice. Look and see. He's got even a little door right there to get out. Wait, morning, we meet again. Good morning. Yes, man, how are you today? Yeah.
This is where you landed in England from Jamaica.
This, right? Gatwick. We all came through Gatwick to get here.
I think Air Jamaica used to come here. I'm sure Air Jamaica used to come here many years ago.
Yeah, at Heathrow here.
Heathrow, yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, here Jamaica used to come here, man. Yeah, man.
So you're going to Southampton as well?
I'm going to Southampton to the Queen Elizabeth II.
Is it?
Yeah, the Queen Elizabeth II. That's where I'm dropping off.
Okay. I know it's a cruise line. I just got Horizon Cruise.
Horizon Cruise.
Yeah.
Oh no, where you going?
Southampton.
Dock 4?
All I have is Horizon Cruise. Bird 102. With a week. With a postcode of SR151AW.
Oh, you have a different postcode. Another American airline. Why the American plane they make so much noise? Huh? They make more noise than anyone else. Okay, see.
There's another guy going with me. The same guy that was on the trip the other day with the new coach. He's over there somewhere.
Which one? The Caucasian man?
No, yes, yeah, biggest one, yeah. The one with it see on the school trip.
Yeah, he's right across from me there. That's my coach over there.
Okay.
He's across from me there.
Yeah, so you're in that one over there, the facility,
Yeah, that one. EOO. Yeah, you have to go register in there, yeah.
Because I could have sworn I could just turn around, on the main road. We have to go all the way near the terminal. You look up, turn at the bus station and picks up the bus driver and make us be confused.
No, you see when you come out, before you go in at the airport, where you see the plane, you do the left. You go the left. Do the left and a left.
Oh, I see.
If you do...
I was wondering which part of the second about take me, you know?
Yeah, you do a left and a left and a left. Pure left, you know.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it used to confuse me too. When I was at West Bus.
Yeah. Come here once with thing. I tell you what, I did come here with Ready Bus about last December, that was it. But somebody else was driving.
Yeah.
From Ready Bus and he drive here, come from a different way.
Yeah.
But the first time I come here, I was welcome to end up in the airport. The same thing again to you. End up in the bus station. Turn around there, otherwise you go to the airport and in a charge.
Yeah, what time of departure for you?
I don't know. All it says pick up from here, which don't make no sense.
No, it can't pick up from here, sir.
Yeah, it says position Westman. Pick up Westman.
Yeah. I see
the coach park. Come to that guy, I think they're coming to us. But I'm gonna double check again.
Yeah, that was the same thing. No, you have to let them know that you're here. And then they will come and call you when they're ready for you. They will come call you. Yeah, they will come call you and tell you where to go pick up.
I was at Thorpe Park yesterday.
Yeah?
I'm going to ride everything, trust me.
I was home yesterday, man. I was home yesterday. I was off.
Oh, but that was a long day, man. Just to get back to London from Thorpe Park, it not even that far. Nearly 2 hours.
Yeah?
You know how many?
Yeah.
Down the road, but it still take 2 hours. Oh my gosh.
They called me and I didn't answer. I'm not coming. When my day off is my rest day. Don't call me on my day off, man. So they called me and I didn't answer the phone, man. Yeah. See, talk to this guy. This man. Yeah, talk to him, yeah.
Albert Einstein's not here today.
No.
Horizon Cruise Terminal.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you're in a different one. You're picking up a different one from me.
You ready?
I'm ready. You ready for me?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
This right?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay.
EOO.
So you gotta go Terminal 3 first, then 5 and 4, yeah?
Jesus Christ.
It's not me who decided, it's them in the terminal. Go and see them.
Terminal 3, 5 and 4.
Yeah, multiple terminals, man. This is always the case.
See that? Listen, I'll see you later, man. Have a safe day. Thank you very much, man. You have a good day too, yeah?
Man. Take it easy.
All right,
it's gonna be
cheers.
lots of luggage, so yeah, maybe 30, 35 people. So just
Lots of luggage. I got a back problem, so they're going to have to load their own luggage.
So you're familiar with all the pickups, yeah?
Yeah, you said Terminal 3, 4 and 5.
Yeah. Terminal 3 is around the back.
Yeah.
5 is further down the first lane, and Terminal 4 is going to be the second lane from the building.
Okay. All right. All right. See you later, man.
See you later. Thank you.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
Just in case, just give me a number if we get lost or if you can't find my colleagues, I can call you.